Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FPHandmade and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This video is Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FPHandmade and I am coming at you with a Destash video. The Destash is PayPal friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour, receipt of email confirmation. And you can email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you are interested. So in this video, I have some super cute dies. This is $50 ship. It's 15 stamps and die sets, and then 2 just stamp sets. So let me show you what I have. I have all these cute little lawn fawn. I think they're called, I can't think what they're called. So this one is the Winter Dragon, and it does include the die set. And then we have Croc My World with the coordinating die set. And Germ-Free Bear, the die set. Seriously Awesome, the die set. We have Big Acorn, the die set, and you're the Zest, the die set, and So Damn Much with the die set. Some of these have not been used, some of them gently used, and then I have some that are not in the packaging, and this is the Home for the Holidays with the die set, Aloha, coordinating die, Duh-nuh with the die set. This one is Little Dragon. And then Llama Tell You. So these are the lawn fawn ones. And then I have 3 of the Avery Elle. And this is Party Animal. And then this one is Balloon Giraffe. And this is Bunny, Party Bunny. Super cute. And then I have 2 stamp set. And these are cute little kawaii sets. And this is Kitty Bee Designs. And it's like a little, I got these from a seller in Hawaii, I believe. And it's a little pineapple bear. Isn't he adorable? And then on the back, we have the bear that's almost a whole pineapple. So, once again, this is $50 ship, 15 stamps and die sets, and then 2 separate die sets, stamp set. So if you're interested, once again, email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. It's 18 years old or older, PayPal friends and family, and please pay within an hour, receipt of email confirmation. Thank you.